This is my latest delivery from AliExpress. And like some of my previous unbagging videos, this delivery includes multiple orders, which is why on this occasion we have multiple packages. So let's take a look inside and see what I ordered. First up, we have this neat little package here. This contains Fireworks Red Yellow Double Color Flashing Lights DIY Kit. Oh wow, this includes a cacophony of LEDs here and a couple of ICs as well by the looks of it. This is a fireworks kit and this is going to make a very nice little project with the LEDs splayed out across these bars here. That'll be a really exciting one to do in a future video. Next up here we have this dual-way burglar alarm, and this includes an ambulance sound. So here we have the PCB, there's a nice little speaker included, ICs with sockets and all the components we require. So that looks like it's going to be an interesting little kit for a future project as well. And here we have a heart-shaped PCB. This is a heart kit and the LEDs will fit in a heart shape around here. So I have a heart-shaped kit previously, but I thought it would be nice to have a couple of different ones to explore. So that's going to be an interesting project as well. Okay, next up here we have the basketball game 24 seconds countdown kit. And I was a bit curious about this one when I was looking at it on AliExpress. I'm not sure exactly what it does. I think it is just a countdown timer and not really anything to do with basketball on the PCB, something maybe to do with the game in real life. But we'll certainly explore that in a little more detail. We do include lots of ICs and sockets. You can see this one has managed to get bent up and pushed through the packaging here, so we'll have to straighten that out when we go to assembly. But otherwise, I think this is going to be an interesting little project to assemble and learn a little bit more about how this relates to basketball. Another kit here, this one is a DIY LED PCB digital display LED logic pen kit. And so this is a decoder PCB and IC for logic levels, and it will convert 4 bits of binary into a value between 0 and 9. And here's the little PCB here, and it does that on a little 7-segment display. And here is that 7-segment display. Now, I already have a kit of a similar type, but I thought it'd be fun to compare the two. So here we have a package of some ICs, and if I'm not mistaken, these are decoding chips as well. So these ones should be 74LS48s, and these can be used as a substitute in some capacity for the digital decoding logic kit I've shown you just here. So I thought these would be an interesting thing to look at and play with and compare. So I added them to the order. Here we have another kit. This one is a touch delay light component, touch induction light kit. So let's take a look. And this is a touch sensor that we can use to turn LEDs on and off. And here are the contact pads for that touch sensor. I thought that might be an interesting little project as well. Again, the chip has got a little bit bashed up in shipping, but we'll straighten those legs out and everything should be fine. Another kit here, and this is one of the more expensive items I've purchased in this order. This is a 5-volt smart traffic light LED kit, and this I thought was a really neat little kit as it simulates traffic signaling. Okay, so you can see there's a rather large PCB baseboard here where your little micro machine style cars might go, and the traffic lights will be mounted. And we have 4 7-segment displays here. Some ICs, it's USB powered, and it uses some surface mount ICs as well as resistors and capacitors. I'm not going to cut this open any further here because I think this will be an interesting little project for us to assemble for the first time and open for the first time together in the related video. But I think this will be a really interesting little kit. Okay, this one here contains more ICs, and these ones are much better packaged than the last ones we saw. And as you can see on here, these should be DM936AN ICs, and these are hexadecimal capable decoder chips. So rather than doing 0 to 9, they'll do A to F. So I plan to use these to extend the decoder logic in those decoder projects. And this one is the final IC I purchased. And if we look here, you can see there's only a single IC here, and it's wrapped up tight in its own little piece of plastic. Now, this IC was fairly expensive. It was actually £9 for one single IC, $8.99. So this IC is a bit of an unusual one, as the encoding that it contains is a little bit different, and I thought it'd be a little bit entertaining for a future video. So we'll look out for that one and see exactly what this does in future. So a bit of a mixed bag here, if you'll excuse the pun. We have a collection of logic decoding ICs that can be used to extend the capabilities of the logic decoder kit we have just here. Altogether, the 6 kits on my left here cost me less than £8, which I think is phenomenal value. Despite my penchant for picking the low-cost items, I couldn't help but pick up this more expensive kit here, which focuses on traffic light control systems, and I think that'll be a really fun little project to assemble as well. Do let me know down in the comments which of these kits you'd like me to take a look at next. If you'd like to purchase any of these items, there'll be links in the video description. But for now, that's all I've got time to show you. So I hope you found this video interesting, and I hope to speak to you again soon in the next one.